Welcome back to part 7 of this tutorial. In the previous tutorial we added customer profiles, catalog items, inventory and created an order entry and shipment. In this step, we will review how to record the payment. Log in to Orderjini portal, and select Overview the Review the Summary. On the left menu, select Sales and Order, and select Order History. You should see the order we created earlier. Now, select the order ID, which shows the order details page. On this page, you will notice an invoice link was created for the recently generated invoice. Click on the invoice link. Review the invoice and at the bottom you see a link to record payment. Click on record payment. You have an option to either select cash, check or any other mode of payments. Enter the amount received along with the description. Once done, click Save. You can now go back to order history and review the payment information by selecting the order. This completes part 7 of our Getting Started tutorial. Thanks for going through these 7-step tutorial. We hope you are ready to get started creating your own online shopping store on Orderjini.com website.